Alright guys, time to go to Stockholm, Sweden, and today we have another cruise trip. It's longer than before. It took 2 hours and a half to reach here from Estonia, but from here to Stockholm it's 18 hours, so we definitely need a cabin. And the cruise company we are gonna take is Viking Line. Today there was a cheaper ticket than other days because usually ticket prices are changing day after day. Today it was 70 euros and extra, I just added extra breakfast for 18 euros. The cruise I'm gonna take is here. It's Viking Line. It's usually cheaper than other companies. And again 18 hours. We're gonna depart in 17 and next day 10 a.m. we're gonna be in Stockholm, Sweden. Man, there's a complete chaos here, like so many people traveling today, and I made my self-check-in and I have to proceed to the gates. Anyway. Hey guys, this is the economy cabin. It's usually located at the downstairs, and we are looking for 2172. Okay, this is our small cabin, guys. We're gonna spend night here. We have a bed, 2. Okay, that's cool. And upstairs, yeah, it's for actually 2 people, wherever you want to sleep. And we have washroom. Oh, we have even a shower. Look at this. So in a small space like this, they were able to make everything. We have nice shower area, pretty cozy. They have considered everything for them. So pretty good. I paid 70 euros and extra 18 euros for breakfast in the morning. That's pretty much enough. But for today, later on, for example, tomorrow, the ticket is 95. For other days, I saw 120. It keeps changing, depends on the demand. So we have a nice sitting area here, and bar, music, pretty much everything. Nice view. So can spend some time. The weather is a bit rainy now. It doesn't let us to stay longer, but I wanna just see the depart. I hope the weather will be stable until that time, because right now it's slightly raining. So then we are good to go. Nothing much to do. Sometimes we can come here to see this view, then go back, spend some time in their cabin, get rest. We have 18 hours. 18 hours. Maybe I can sleep 8 hours, but the rest of the 10 hours I'll drink. Cheers guys. It's a departure drink. We're gonna drink later. I hope not. Oh, people are cheering us. Then cheers. So I'm back to the cabin, guys, because the rain gets worse and worse and it's so windy outside. But later on I'm gonna go back again because I love watching sea and thinking, let's say making philosophy, especially if there's a drink there. So just a quick tip: when you come, just try to buy at least 2 bottles of water for night. It's a long trip, some snacks. A little helped me for these sandwiches. So then you can lower your budget because usually restaurants here are so expensive, but you can add 18 euros breakfast. In the morning you can enjoy the view and have your breakfast, then that's all. You will be arrived to the destination. Yeah, I will have some rest later on. If there's something, we will come back and we're gonna record. Morning, guys. New day and we woke up in a new country. Right now we are in Sweden, not in Stockholm yet, but we will be there in, I mean, less than 2 hours.
Different this time, there's no words to sing anymore. I haven't a clue why you went away. I only know you are gone, and I sit alone, my heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the day away. Nothing to show and no place to go, so here in my room I stay. I don't know that I could forget you, no matter how hard I try. I'm all alone and honestly I don't know why.
Alright, good news and bad news. Bad news is my friend is at the wrong harbor. That's why now we have chosen a meeting point and I am walking toward. Good news, Sweden is warmer than other countries. Finally, I'm in t-shirt because last 2 countries especially it was so cold, and finally here I feel that I can spend nice time outside. After exactly 14 years, he corrected me, it's not 12 years, 14 years. We are just going to over to the hostel to drop my luggage and then we are gonna explore around together. It's an amazing city, guys. We will have a nice time here. You see these guys, they just graduated from high school and they celebrate in a weird way. They just dance in a truck, at the back of the truck, but they are happy, they live the life. And I am happy to be here at this moment. Okay, we are at the specific intersection, right? We see 2 street names, Valhalla Wagon and Odengatan. Odin is Nordic god, Vikings god, if you know, and Valhalla is the paradise of Vikings. So in order to keep the culture, Vikings culture, they have made this street intersected each other because this is the way, it means this is the way of the god and this is the paradise, and the way of God come to the paradise. So by this way, no matter Swedish people are Christian, they keep this culture and historical religion. Alright guys, I got some rest I was so tired, and now I'm out again, and we have fun activity here because my friend went to the work, and he said he's a bus driver in Sweden, and he told me, catch my bus if you can. He gave me the bus stop, approximate bus stop, and the time he's gonna pass from there. He said just jump to the bus I drive. The best bus driver ever.
When love goes away, that hasn't been said before.
One of the purposes of travel for me is trying things I haven't done before. Well, I haven't had a bus driver tour guide so far, and I am thankful to Elvin, my university mate, for taking this role. He provided me with the information about Sweden that doesn't exist in TripAdvisor, and also about his job. So, besides tourist attraction and society, I had a chance to know how he's working in Sweden as a bus driver.
My heart by the phone, and so I just listen to rain as it falls to the ground and washes the